is again as exciting as ever. Or this is my fourth or fifth cake by now, which is a good enough number for a warm up. The pre-birthday segment and the gifts and the cake cuttings. So yes, you start feeling like it's your birthday tomorrow. So yes, I'm loving it.
इस बार क्या कुछ होने वाला है आपके बर्थडे पे? काफी सारे फ्रेंड्स बन चुके हैं इंडस्ट्री में, तो क्या कुछ धमाल मस्ती?
So अब जब friends बन चुके हैं, so it's time to treat them. So yes, a little party with them tomorrow night. And today I think I knew that 16th is always a it's a warm up session by everybody, the media, you guys, and with the cake cuttings. So it's a great day today. और मुझे नहीं पता नहीं मैं किस लिए यहाँ वैनिटी में इतनी देर से वेट कर रही हूँ, बट आई कुड नॉट फील इट बिकॉज आई हैव जस्ट बीन सेलिब्रेटिंग माई बर्थडे. सो यस, थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग इट सो स्पेशल ऑल द इयर्स.
ओके, काफी सारे गिफ्ट्स ऑलरेडी मिल चुके हैं. आई थिंक मॉम की तरफ से भी कुछ तो ऑलरेडी मिल गया है. क्या कुछ मिला है? नहीं,
I loved a dress from Forever New. It was a new collection. I went home and I just started cribbing. I want that dress. So my mom gave me money for that dress, so it became a gift from her side. And so yes, this is how I got my first gift. My brother has planned a lot and he doesn't tell me, but I trust him for that. And yeah, that's all you want, yeah. And so many cakes, so many wishes and everything. And Twitter, of course, is crazy. It's heavy. It's jammed with the countdowns, with the birthday wishes, with whatever is coming. So yes, it's a good thing. Yeah, I receive so much, on a birthday. So you don't really you run out of thoughts, you run out of vision as to what you want for your birthday, because I've got a little family, but then they are so pampering and they just are willing to do anything for me, anything and everything without even asking. So yes, and मेरा तो जब मन करता है मैं तो जाके अपने आप को पैम्पर करके आ जाती हूँ, so there's no limit to me pampering myself. Around my birthdays, it's always been a pleasure to work, and I have not cancelled anything, even if it's a look test or an audition or a meeting. I haven't cancelled anything around my birthday. There's a meeting tomorrow. There is today. I'm working again, so I don't believe in taking offs on my birthday especially. And but yes, there's a slight difference that it's not a Jamai Raja vanity. It's a different space that I'm working in, and it's pretty. I'm pretty nervous right now. I'm a wreck, not knowing what to do ahead, but it's all right. I just will get used to it.
On that note, let's cut the cake.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nia. एक्साइटमेंट में कैंडल ब्लो नहीं की.
Okay, sorry for the silly thing, but yes, I know I was a little excited.
क्या विश है इस साल के लिए निया?
Without wishing, I'm receiving so much. I don't know wish करके क्या मिलेगा. So like you saw, मैंने कैंडल ब्लो करने से भी पहले केक काट दिया. So I really don't wish for anything, but it's just about thanking God, thanking the people around you, and everybody who thinks you're something and who values you for a little something. So yes, and my fans, yes. Okay, great. So this is from Neelam Punjabi. How sweet, my Golu Molu girl, I know, and you must have grown up by now, so I'm sure. ये होता है ढीठपना, मना करने के बावजूद भी यू विल स्टैंड. बट ठीक है यार, दिस लिटिल थिंग आर ऑलराइट. ओके, दिस सीम्स अ लिटिल डिफरेंट बिकॉज आई कांट गेस दिस टाइम. पहले टेडी बेयर्स आ जाते थे, तो मैं पिलोज आते थे, मैं अपने आप गेस कर लेती थी. क्या है? You are a woman to be respected now and always. Never leave. Always stay with us, Nia. Nia's Golu Molu girl. See, I remember you. Sorry. And 30 reasons why you are awesome.
Oh. एक आध अगर आप पढ़ ले तो I think.
Okay, out of 30, I want to know one reason why am I awesome, because I don't know any. You crazy for driving. Yes, I am crazy. Not anymore, not after Naigaon. Okay, I'll just read one more. Your love for chewing gums.
देखो आपके फैंस काफी अच्छे से जानते हैं आपको.
They know everything, you know. Instead of like people send chocolates as gifts, my fans send me chewing gums as gifts because they know how much I love chewing gums. तो गलती मेरी थी, मैंने एक बार गलती से बोल दिया था. Thank you, Neelam, and just by looking at 2 reasons, I know why am I awesome. So thank you for this crazy bottle. I'm going to read all the 30 reasons, and I'm going to make sure that I write to you all. I think I have done something very, very nice in the last birth, or maybe in this birth, that you know, you get so much love on your birthday. Because otherwise, who knows you? Where do you exist? That there's no reason. But my fans never fail to mesmerize me. Never fail to make me. Never fail to just amaze me with their gestures and what they do on Twitter. The riot that they just जो रायता फैलता है Twitter पे on my birthday. People don't know when to wish me on the 16th or on the 15th. They just get confused. And thanks to all of you. Yes, my birthday was trending right above Narendra Modi. So you know, how do you feel? You know, you got a crazy. It's not that your fans are in millions, but it's just that you know, whatever number is there, they're just crazy. They're like the maniacs. So yes, itne us had tak jaake bhi, and of course the cracking the sexy list, the Asian sexy list at number 5 is, again, it's not me that I'm sexy, it's the fans that have made it possible. So how do I thank you guys? You just are crazy, as crazy as it gets.